Welcome everyone. Let's get going with our second webinar of Feature Focus. So my name is Nicole Allen and I'm the Marketing Executive, and today we are joined by CEO Joe Boyle. This is a short feature focus on deploying a secure on-premise communication system in less than an hour, which is meant to be topical and informative. Now, without further ado, we will turn the time over to Joe.
Thanks, Nicole. Hi, everyone. So one of the most frequent requests we get is around deployment, how complicated deployment is, and what are the snags. So we are very proud of how quickly we can get an on-premise deployment going. So this is basically just an outline of on-premise deployments and how quickly we can do it, specifically how we can get it done in less than 60 minutes. So first of all, let's think about SaaS v on-prem. When you think about SaaS, you are thinking about an infrastructure that is managed by the service provider, i.e. Salt. It's in a verified data center, so it's nice and safe, and your admins are able to go in with the allocated system and set whichever mode they are. In Salt, we have two main modes for our SaaS users. That is privacy and also enterprise mode. Privacy means that no data is stored on the system at all. And enterprise mode means that you get usage reports of the system usage to make sure that it is being adopted the right way. And that's for you to configure on system setup. The administrator from the customer also controls user provisioning, such as inviting users, removing users, setting up circles, setting up broadcast channels, and all of the provisioning, enforcing PIN for certain users, et cetera, et cetera. And with the SaaS system, Salt, guarantee availability, and we have 24/7 Salt support, always looking after that system and nurturing that system. Compared to the on-premise, really, it's your chosen network where it's deployed. It's within your chosen data center, so you're in control here. This is a common theme for on-premise deployments. As an admin, you obviously can set the mode. We still have privacy and we still have enterprise mode, but we also have an additional compliance mode where you can extract information from the comms if required for evidential or for compliance reasons. And the availability of the system is controlled 100% by you as the customer. So you can actually remove the system from being available if you wish and bring it back online if you wish, and it's all within your terms. And that, that's the warm and fuzzy for many of our customers. But it all comes down to control. You as the customer wants to be able to have your own system without relying on Salt to provide the availability or to provide any of those essential systems around it. It's for you. And again, I say that's the warm and fuzzy. Having an on-premise system also allows you to connect to internal trusted systems. So we have APIs within the system that allow your intelligence systems or internal systems that may trigger alerts or warnings or interesting information to push out information over a secure comm system without the need to use any other external systems. And we don't provide this through our SaaS. This is only available to on-prem users, and that can be a broadcast alert, it can be a group chat, it can be a one-to-one message, or a single message sent out to many people. So that's another benefit of choosing on-prem. And we have some government customers who choose to run our system without internet access. So when we say that you choose your own network, we really do mean that. We are completely agnostic of the network. There are some limitations for this, obviously. You can set your own notification service for a desktop and also for Android devices. But if you are not relying on internet access, then Apple notifications are kind of taken out of the loop there. So you can use Apple phones, okay, but you will not get notifications to those through the Apple notification service. So, but again, this is something that if you have your own private network, want to privately distribute a white labeled version of the SALT system, you can really have a private secure communication system. Okay, so who uses it? Not surprisingly, this is for those organizations that really do value control, privacy, and do not want to ask permission to use any of these other systems. So it's governments, it's agencies, it's those who own critical infrastructure. It's also very popular with policing, intelligence, and military. It's meant to be simple. Hopefully that conveys just how simple and fast it is.